is what it's like when worlds collide. Are you ready to go? 'Cause I'm ready to go. What you gonna do, baby, baby? Are you going with me? 'Cause I'm going with you. That's the end of all time. What is it really that motivates you? The need to fly or this fear to stop? Or go along, then you realize when we get there I see 9 or 10 drop. Now who's the light and who is the devil? You can't decide, so I'll be your guide. And one by one they will be chosen. Now this is what it's like when worlds collide.